Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to make these two cute hair clips. So let's start with this one, and for this we will need this kind of a glitter sheet, this golden half bead, this leaf kind of or drop kind of white beads, and this kind of a hair clip. So first of all, cut this glitter sheet into a small square of around 1 centimeter and a big square of around 1.5 centimeter all from all the side. Now cut them into a circle. Now heat the iron and hold this circle. It will start shrinking. Hold this for 1 to 2 minutes. It has changed its shape. So now while it is hot, fold it in like this. Now hold the second one, smaller one. It has also started changing its shape, so fold it. This will look like this. Now start the hot glue gun and stick this golden bead here. Now this to this, stick whole flower. To the pin. Now take one golden bead, then this white bead, again one golden bead, our hair clip is ready. Now for this hairpin, we will need a hairpin like this kind of stones, kundan stones, and this pollen, this rose. So let's start. To attach this flower to pin, insert the wire in flower at the end of the pin. Hold it twice. So that wire should not come out. Now take this pollen and hold it around the flower. Stick these flowers properly with hot glue gun. Now with the help of Fevikwik, stick all the kundan stone. As they are so tiny, hold them with a crayon. In this way, stick all the stones. So now our hair clip is ready. So our both the hair clips are ready. Hope you like this video, and please share this with your friends and family, and subscribe my channel and hit the bell button to get notification of our upcoming videos. Thank you.